With a late summary just before 11:30.
Good evening to you. Well, this chart looks a little bit more hectic than it really is. In fact, nothing much is changing. We're going to keep this front with us throughout the next few days, wriggling its way across northern parts and keeping it fairly cloudy, bringing along some outbreaks of rain, whereas southern areas stay with this ridge of high pressure and a good deal of fine, warm weather. We can see the difference on the satellite picture. You can see that ribbon of cloud stretching across Scotland and way out into the Atlantic, and that, as I say, will be around in the next 2 or 3 days. As a matter of fact, further south over England and Wales, there is now some cloud pushing in from the west, but it's a lot thinner than the cloud further north. But even so, it will mean that tomorrow over England and Wales, it's going to start off again fairly cloudy, a little bit damp and drizzly in places, but that cloud breaking up during the course of the morning, the sun coming through to give a mostly dry day, and another very warm and humid day too, 24 centigrade being 75 Fahrenheit. Along the south coast and around these western coasts, that cloud perhaps sticking, a little bit of mist rolling in from time to time, and some drizzle as well. In the more border counties of England and much of Northern Ireland and Scotland, a different picture there, a good deal of cloud with some outbreaks of rain. But in these more sheltered eastern areas, there'll be some dry, bright spells. And in the north of Scotland, at least it'll be mostly dry and quite bright to begin with, but even here, as the day goes on, cloud and rain will push up from the south. Well, that's all for now. A very good night to you.
The new season brings a brand new look to Radio Times with more colour, more pages, more pictures, bringing to life a whole host of entertaining new series. Ian Charlson is the founder of a diamond empire in the best-selling Master of the Game. At René's Cafe, there's a touch of French farce in a low with tales from the wartime resistance. And the real secret warriors of World War II tell the story of the Special Operations Executive. Wayne Sleep puts on his dancing shoes for the Hot Shoe Show, and Henry J is in the world of computer fraud in Bird of Prey 2. Blankety Blank's new host, the inimitable Les Dawson, gets himself in shape for the popular comedy quiz game. And from a friendly face to a sinister stranger, as H.G. Wells' Invisible Man haunts the screen in BBC One's stunning new adaptation. The master of mimicry, Lenny Henry, displays his talents as he leaps into life with his own show. And it's eyes down for Bob's Full House, a brand new general knowledge quiz game. And with one eye on the camera and the other on the ladies, Ronnie Barker stars as the magnificent Evans and poses for a portrait in the Rogues Gallery. Look out for the colourful new season Radio Times. It's so full of life, it might surprise you.
Now on BBC One, Faye Dunaway and James Farentino star in the second and final part of the dramatisation charting the life of Argentina's First Lady, Evita Perón.